What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Let's go ahead and open up over 15 of the newest Hot Wheels. And we'll start it off with the 1994 Audi Avant RS2. We've got a brand new recolor of this one. It's kind of a silvery gray color here. Let's go ahead and pop it open. This one's from the Factory Fresh series. Brand new casting for 2021. We saw it originally released in blue, and now we've got this color right here. As you can see, it's kind of got like a gloss look over top of it, so it's very, very shiny. I do like the color. It actually is pretty nice. It shows the details of the car very well. If we look at the front end, you can see all the nice details of that cool looking Audi front end. And then we've got kind of like a body kit lip type thing that goes all the way around the car right here. The back doesn't really have much. It does have a little cut for the exhaust though, and nice details on the back end for this Audi RS2. Next up from the Batman series, we've got the Batman Batmobile. Looks to be a new color of this one. Let's go ahead and open this one up and see if you're a Batman collector. This is definitely a cool one to get. And this one does have, it looks like a plastic body. I'm not too sure if it is. Maybe it is a plastic body. I thought it was maybe metal for a second there. And it does have really cool looking colored wheels on here. Chrome, kind of silvery chrome all around the back and the side right here. We got this weird sort of cut on the back right here for the casting. We got these fins on this one as well. And cool looking striping from the top for this Batman Batmobile. Bone Shaker from the Rod Squad series, car number 4 of 5. This is a Moon Eyes edition. So it's actually, normally we see the yellow Moon Eyes editions. Now we've got this like kind of grayish Moon Eyes edition. I think this one is a matte finish. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see how it feels. It is definitely a matte finish to it. And there is your Moon Eyes on the side of it. Chrome exhaust, and we got the chrome on the top. Kind of looks like titanium type chrome. And then of course the classic Bone Shaker skull from the front end, chrome all in the interior right there. These wheel tire combination, I'm not a huge fan of. I don't really like these wheels. I think they're kind of ugly, but a lot of the older cars will have these ones on. They kind of look period correct, but for now, I mean, on a Bone Shaker, I would have liked to see something a little bit crazier. But what do you guys think of this new Bone Shaker from Hot Wheels? DRAFTNATOR from X Racers, car number 5 of 5 Track Stars. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. This is our first recolor of this one. We did get it in like a X-Ray Racers orange, and now we've got it in this one right here. And as you can see, looks really, really cool. The X Racers, you can see right through the car. So if we look over the top, you can see kind of like the chrome on the inside for the interior, the engine, and the rear end right there. On the bottom, it's just a matte black finish. From the back, we've got, you can see right through as well. We've got this lip spoiler on here and these kind of rail things right here, which kind of hold the car down. And from the front, you can see that big chrome right there on that grille. And it's an interesting looking car. It's basically just a race truck, the DRAFTNATOR. BEL-AIR from Baja Racers, car number 10 of 10. The Baja Racers, we do get those tires that look like they're gone through mud. And you know how much I've been a big fan of this series for this year. You can see it right there. Look at all the mud on that tires right there. You can see the tire wheel combination looks all dirty. This is an interesting color for it. It's kind of that new like mainstream color. It's kind of like a grayish bluish green type of color right there. As you can see, it's a glossy finish. It's got like this stripe that goes just right on the top roof right here, and then it's got this red outline striping right there. But the BEL-AIR, it's a very, very cool looking casting. Very fun, interesting, lots of different recolors for this car, and I'm sure we're going to get some more in the future. 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata from the Then and Now series, car number 4 of 10. And this one looks to be a matte gray finish. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like up close right here. It is a very cool looking finish to this car. Blacked out wheels, that big rear spoiler on there just sticking right out. It's got the roll cage on the inside with the black interior. We got that off-center stripe right out the front. It's kind of a new trendy thing a lot of cars are doing. We do have the Mazda logo just right there on the front, and then there's that front end, which looks really, really neat. I mean, this color, it definitely looks really, really cool with this car with the blacked out wheels for this MX-5 Miata. Treasure hunt time, 65 for Galaxie from the Muscle Mania series, and it is a treasure hunt. And I'll go ahead and show you exactly where the treasure hunt logos are on this. As we open up a treasure hunt packaging, always remember, if it's a treasure hunt or a super, it's going to have the logo just right on the back right there, so we can confirm that it's a treasure hunt. That's your treasure hunt logo. And there is the car itself right here. And if we look just right on the front fender right there. There's your little treasure hunt logo with the Hot Wheels logo just right above it, so you can see that right there. And if we look on this side as well, we can see same thing, fender. It's just kind of a mirrored image of it. You can see that little treasure hunt logo just right there. The 21, the Ford 65 Ford Galaxie 427 cubic inch engine, big engine in this one. The number 21 on the top, maybe for 21 for the year of this casting, I guess, 2021 Hot Wheels. And very cool, like the yellow. You guys know yellow is my favorite color. I like this like titanium chrome look grill on the front. That's really cool. And if we look in the bottom, kind of blends in as well. It's that same kind of chromish titanium look for this very cool new treasure hunt. McLaren F1 from Hot Wheels Exotics. I've been waiting for this moment to open up this car. I've been waiting for Hot Wheels to release the F1 road car. Let's go ahead and open this one up. You guys know it's my favorite car of all time in real life, the McLaren F1. And we do have a GTR variation from Hot Wheels, but now we have the road car variation, and I absolutely love it. Love it in the silver. Silver's kind of the original color that the McLaren F1 was released in. It's kind of like their show car color, and you can see great detail for those lights right there. The lights, the stamping, all that looks good. The McLaren logo just right there on the front. If we go to the back, great detail on the back end of this one as well for all the stamping and lights and everything. Just looks absolutely awesome, amazing, fantastic. One of the greatest Hot Wheels ever. You guys know this is going to be my top 10 Hot Wheels releases for 2021, 100% for sure. You know it, the McLaren F1. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comment section down below. 68 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S from Muscle Mania Series, car number 7 of 10. Nice looking two-tone color on this one. Let's go ahead and open it up and get a nice close-up look. Get out of the packaging. There you go, car. We've got it. We've got it. Muscle car, of course. If you're a muscle car fan, this is definitely one to add to the collection. Cool looking Plymouth on the side. Mopar, the Hot Wheels logo right there. Staggered, bigger wheels on the rear, smaller ones on the front. Nice touch to that one. Pretty clean from the rear end right there. Clean on the top as well there. That hood with that kind of hood stripe, and that just blends right into the front end of this car. But it's just an overall, it's a clean looking muscle car. I don't know, if you guys like it, let me know down below. Bot Wheels from HWSWCE Series, new color of the Bot Wheels. We've seen lots of different interesting colors of this one, and I mean, this one definitely looks like a spacewalker. Like, this car should definitely be going on the moon, just the way this look is. We've got like a matte purple on the inside with the white, and then these different colored wheel tire combination on here. Just look at that from the front. Just an absolutely crazy looking car. Just look at that. Isn't that insane? Very, very cool looking. I do like the Bot Wheels. It's an interesting car. It's an interesting fantasy car. I mean, it definitely fits in with the HWSWCE Series. 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S, brand new recolor of this one. We did get this one. I think we have a red and a white one of this one released, and now we've got it in this kind of like, it's a purplish blue color kind of. Let's go ahead and pop it open right here. Nice and glossy. You can see it right there. Wow, just look at that. Just looks awesome. Love the blacked out wheels with the chrome lip on there. Great detail on the rear. You can see that with that dual exhaust that kind of pops out right there as well. And from the top, it's got the sunroof, and then it does have the off-center front scoop on there. You can see it right there, and pop-up headlights on this car in real life, so that's what it's got meshed in there. We got the little marker lights at the front, little fog lights right there, which looks really, really cool. Just an overall great design car. Really, really huge fan of the older Mazda RX-7s. Porsche 914 Safari. We've got a new white release for this one from the HW Exotic Series, car number 5 of 10. Let's go ahead and see what this one looks like right here. This one has come out in a few different recolors already, and now we've got this white one. Blacked out wheels, Porsche logo on the side, the 21. We've got all the stuff that it carries and stuff on the top, because it is like a Baja racer car. It's even got that big push bar on there with the lights that are meshed in. This is just a plastic piece right here, but the body itself is fully metal. On the bottom, we do have the plastic that's kind of blended in right there. Just an overall great looking design car. It's really, really cool to see a Baja variation of a Porsche 914. Never thought I'd expect that to come to a Hot Wheels lineup, but we've gotten good recolors of it so far. Manga tuner from the Tune Series, car number 5 of 5. There we go. We got this one. This is a fun car. I mean, the actual cars that they do have like this, I'm not sure exactly what they call them, but they have them in Japan with these big exhausts and all that. But just check out the tuned version of this one. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Just look at how big that exhaust that does come up here. The massive lip spoiler. I mean, it's kind of just making fun of these cars. We do got the big front diffuser on there, really tiny, small white wheels, and then this just huge thing that just comes up here. Oh my gosh, the thing is just so funny looking. It's just so funny to see a tuned out variation of this car. I like it. I like it a lot. Crescendo from the HW Exotic Series, car number 7 of 10. This car is proven to be very fast down our track, so we'll definitely be racing this one in a future video. And I like the new yellow color of this one, white interior on there as well, cool looking colored stripe down the center, and then these wheels that we've seen released on, originally I think it was released on a Tesla Model X, and we're getting lots of different variations from Tesla releasing on them, or from Hot Wheels, not Tesla releasing them, Hot Wheels releasing on them. And we got this like kind of cool like side lip thing to this right here, and if you look in the bottom, nice and chromed on there. Crescendo, this is gonna be fun to put down the track and see how good it does. And our last car that we're opening up today is the Toyota Land Cruiser 80 from the HW Hot Truck Series, car number 7 of 10. I really like this new casting. It's going to be fun to see this one come out in some new recolors, but this color that it released in right here, very cool trending color. I think it's very fitting of the Toyota Land Cruiser. We do have the nice gray colored wheels on the front and, or sorry, on the sides of it. And on the front, we do have the Toyota logo with a little bit of a mini push bar with lights, good details for the lighting and stuff like that. We got the sunroof right there on the top of it, and then on the back we do have the spare tire wheel combination. It's too bad the spare tire and wheels isn't the same as the actual ones on here. That would have been a cool touch, but nonetheless, it's an overall great design car. It's a nice welcome to the Hot Wheels lineup. All right guys, in the comment section down below, let me know which were your favorite 2 cars that we opened up today. If I had to pick just one, you guys know it's that McLaren F1. I absolutely love it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.